Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be looking at a headset hanger. This is the EletecPro freestanding headset hanger and it retails for between £8 and £10 on Amazon. So let's get it out of the box, let's put it together and let's have a look. So now that's that put together, let's have a little look at it. Well, it's made predominantly of aluminium. You can see there it does feel quite strong, quite sturdy, yet it does not have a lot of weight to it. On the bottom there is a rubber foot on the bottom there, a rubber pad, and putting that down and moving it around, it doesn't move much at all. I'm not putting a lot of force on that, and it's actually the desk that's moving more than the hanger. And on the top here is like a faux leather pad, and that's going to protect the strap on your headset from getting damaged. So what do I think? Well, I wanted something that was small, unintrusive, not going to take up oodles of room on my desk, and I think I found it with this. So it's available from Amazon in 3 different colours. There's black, grey and silver. Obviously this is the silver one. They range from $9.99 down to $7.99 depending on which colour you have, and I can absolutely recommend it. It does what it's supposed to do and I think it looks great. So all I need to do now is this. So I'll leave a link to the EletecPro headset hanger in the description below. Don't forget to give this video a like if you liked it. Got loads more videos coming very soon, and the best way not to miss any of those is to subscribe below. Doesn't cost a thing, and if you hit the bell notification icon, you'll get told every time I upload a new video. And speaking of videos, why don't you watch one of our other videos from the selection on the left hand side of the screen right now. So thanks for watching and I will see you later.